Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is chapter number 5, light, and we have done reflection. Now today we are going to see some terms related to refraction. Now number 1 is incident ray. Now what is incident ray? The ray that falls on the surface separating the two media is called incident ray. The surface that separates the two media is called interface of the two media. Now let's see, these are two media, air and glass, and this is the surface that is separating the two media. This is called interface of the two media. Now, and this is the incident ray, and that falls on the surface which is separating the two media. This is the incident ray. Now next is refracted ray. When the incident ray enters the second medium, it changes its direction. The ray passing through the second medium is called the refracted ray. So this is the incident ray, and when it travels from one medium to another, it changes its direction. So this ray is called the refracted ray. The ray in the second medium is called the refracted ray. Point of incidence. The point at which the incident ray enters the second medium is called the point of incidence. This point O, this is the point of incidence. When the ray enters the second medium, that point is called the point of incidence. This is the point of incidence, O. Normal, a line drawn perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence is called the normal. Now the line which is drawn perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence is called the normal. This N1 is the normal. It is drawn perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence, O. Angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called the angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the incident ray, this angle is called the angle of incidence. Angle AON is the angle of incidence. Angle of refraction. The angle between the normal and the refracted ray is called the angle of refraction. This angle between the normal and the refracted ray, this angle is called the angle of refraction. Now these were all the terms related to refraction. Now properties of refraction. When a ray of light travels obliquely from a rarer medium, this is a rarer medium and this is a denser medium. So when a ray of light travels obliquely from rarer medium to denser medium, what happens? It bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. So angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. And second property is that when a ray of light travels obliquely from denser medium to rarer medium, then it bends away from the normal. So here angle of incidence is less than, now it becomes incident ray, and this is the refracted ray. So this angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction. And third property is when a ray of light falls normally, that is at an angle of 90 degree on the interface of two media, it goes undeviated. Both the angle of incidence and angle of refraction are 0. So no refraction takes place when light falls normally on the interface of two media. So when a light falls normally at 90 degree angle, what happens? It goes undeviated, straight, no deviation is there. So there is no refraction taking place here. Angle of incidence and angle of refraction are 0 here. In both the cases, whether the ray is traveling from rarer to denser medium or from denser to rarer medium, if it is falling normally or making an angle of 90 degree, then it goes undeviated and no refraction is taking place here. Now what are the laws of refraction? There are two laws of refraction. Number one is the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane. So according to first law of refraction, the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the refracted ray, they all lie in the same plane. Now the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for a given pair of media. This is the second law of refraction. Sin I upon sin r equals to constant, and this constant is equal to the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. And this is called Snell's law. So what is the refractive index? That is the speed of light in the first medium upon speed of light in the second medium. Like for example, when a ray of light travels from air to glass, the constant sin I upon sin r is the refractive index of the glass with respect to air. So when a ray of light travels from one medium to another, suppose it is traveling from air to glass, and the constant is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium, that is the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Now what is this equal to? Sin I upon sin r equals to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in air upon 2 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in glass. So what is the refractive index? That is 1.5. So now what are the two laws of refraction? Number one is the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane like this. They are all in the same plane. Second law, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for a given pair of media. This ratio is constant, and this constant is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Like a ray of light is traveling from air to glass, then the refractive index equals to speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. Suppose this is the speed of light in air and this is the speed of light in glass, so their ratio will be 1.5. This is the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Now suppose the ray of light is traveling from air to water. First medium is air, second is water. Then what is the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction? What is the value of the constant, or what is the refractive index? So this is the speed of light in air and this is the speed of light in water. So what is the answer? What is the refractive index? That is 1.33.